Namaste, welcome to Paru Yoga. I am Paru. Let us practice yoga for robust spinal health. For more yoga and workouts, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with some gentle warm-ups. Be seated in a comfortable position. Send your hands to the front. Gently open and close your palms. As you open your palms, inhale and exhale as you close. Do this couple of times more. Inhale, pull your fingers towards the body and gently pull in your side with palm facing up and facing down. Let's roll the shoulders from the back up to the ears and down. As you inhale, up, exhale, down your shoulders. Now from the front up to the ears and down. One more time. Now hands on the shoulders. Roll the shoulders up and back down, then up and back to the front. As you inhale, up your shoulders. As you exhale, down. Now gentle neck stretches. Send your head towards your right shoulder and gently to the left shoulder. This time, up and down your head. As you inhale, gently look up, and as you exhale, chin to chest. And now you may close your eyes. Gently rotate your head counterclockwise. As you inhale, slowly up, and as you exhale, slowly down. And counterclockwise, do this couple of more rounds. Now face towards your left and towards your right. Once more. Camel pose. Kneel down. Your back is straight. You may place your hands on the bums or on your back and push your upper body down. And as you inhale, push your hips forward, look up. Place your hands on your heels. As you exhale, drop your head back. Be here for few seconds, at least 6 breaths, and as you inhale, your both hands raise one by one, and as you exhale, place your hands on your heels. And here again, as you inhale, look up, push your hips forward, and you are facing up towards the sky. Chest opens up, and as you exhale, drop your head back. And you may stay here for some time. As you inhale, slowly, your head up, you may raise your hands one by one, and as you exhale, release your asana. Relax for a while, hands on your cheeks, and you may find some motion in your legs like a kid. Normal breathing. This posture is one of the best for your spine, for your back pain, so you may stay in this posture as much as you like. Now let's move on to our next asana, Cobra pose. Lie down on your stomach, your both palms on the floor and hands near your chest. Inhale, slowly rise up halfway, legs are together. You may spread your legs if you have lower back pain. You may maintain your leg distance at least 3 feet apart, or if you don't have any back pain, keep your legs hip width apart. Be here for few seconds and look forward. And as you exhale, lower your body to rest for few seconds. Now a variation of Bhujangasana. You may place your palms over one another, and as you inhale, gently raise your head. Your hands are straight. Feel the stretches in your back. Be here for a while, and as you exhale, gently lower your body. Let's do it once more. And lower your body to be in Makarasana for few seconds. Another variation of Bhujangasana. In the same pose, hands on your sides near the chest. As you inhale, slowly raise your upper body. As you exhale, gently twist to right to see the right heel. Be here for few seconds. Come to the center as you inhale, and as you exhale, twist to your left back to see the left heel. As you exhale, now lower down your body and rest here for few seconds. Let's go for another round of Bhujangasana. This time your hands are straight and upper body is raised to be straight. Be here for a while and gently lower your body and be ready for locust pose. Locust pose. While laying on your stomach, place your hands under your thighs and adjust if you need to. Your forehead on the ground. As you inhale, slowly raise your right leg. Stay here 6 breaths. As you exhale, place it down, and as you inhale, raise your left leg down. Do it once more. Raise the legs for longer time than before. As you inhale, now let's raise both legs together gently, and your head is also raised slightly. If you can't raise your head to both legs, then you may place your head on the ground. Stay here for a while, and as you exhale, gently lower them down. Let's do it again, and try to look forward. Your legs should be straight. Do not raise too much. This asana is very useful for your spine and for your back. While laying down, place your right hand on your lower back. As you inhale, gently raise your right leg. your head and left hand to the front. Try to stay here at least 6 breaths, and as you exhale, gently release and change your hands and legs. Again, raise them gently and be here for a while. And release them. Now here you may send your both hands front. As you inhale, gently raise your hands, head and the both legs. Feel the stretch and hold them all for few seconds. You can feel the sensations on your back and slowly lower them all down. Now next round. Be here for few seconds, at least 6 breaths, and as you exhale, lower down and rest for few seconds. Now slowly rise and lay on your back. As you inhale, bend your knees to bring the legs near to your body. As you exhale, spread your hands and send your both knees to the right while you face to the left to see the left palms. Feel the stretches and be here for a while. Now change the sides, knees to the left and face to the right to see the right hand. Be here for a while, as much as you like. Now for another round and release after some time. This asana is one of my best asanas for your back pain, for your hip muscles, so you may stay here as much as you like. And while you twist your body, try to look opposite side. As you inhale, gently raise your left leg. Catch the left toe by your right hand to guide it gently to the right. While you exhaling, left leg touches the floor straight. Right hand spreads wide and try seeing your left palms. Hold here for few seconds. Feel the sensations running around the hips and your body, your lower back, your spine. As you inhale, raise your leg, and then as you exhale, release the hand and leg after a while. Now let's change the hands and legs. Inhale, gently raise your right leg, catch the right toe by your left hand to guide it gently to the left. Right leg touches the floor straight. Left hand spreads wide and try seeing your right palm. Hold here for few seconds. Or if you can't touch your toe with your hand, that's totally fine. Exhale, you may release the hand and leg after a while. If you can't spread your legs, then you may bend your knee, pressing on the floor with your hands. Lay on your back. As you inhale, grab your right knee and pull it to your chest. Be here for few seconds. As you exhale, release. Another leg. As you inhale, grab your left knee and pull it to your chest. If you have neck pain, if you can't touch your knee, then you may place your head on the floor and stay here. Another leg. As you inhale, grab your left knee and pull it to your chest. Feel the sensations for a while and relax. And you may stay here as long as you like. You may relax completely here. And as you exhale, you may release. And as you inhale, let us grab both knees and pull it towards your chest, and you may try to touch the knees. If you can't touch your knees by your nose, you may place your head on the floor as well. You may stay in this posture as much as you like and completely relax. Normal breathing. As you exhale, gently release. Now let us end our today's practice by relaxing Shavasana. Lay on your back, eyes are closed, hands lays on your sides, body tries to relax, hands and legs are spread at ease. We are trying to rest in an active way by being conscious about each part of our body. Let go all of your pain emotions, observe the normal breath, how they come and go. Try to be neutral to your thoughts. Feel the gentle stretches in your muscles or tiny droplets of sweat rolling over or relaxing mind. You may realize your heartbeat. You may be here for 5 to 10 minutes. It is one of the best way to relax your body and mind. Namaste. Thank you so much. I hope you joined me in this practice. How does your spine and back feel now? Please comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.